Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own ringtone for your phone. So you're going to need the app GarageBand and Safari and settings. So you're gonna wanna go to Safari and then search in audio extractor. Let me show you the things. Extractor. So you're gonna scroll a bit and this is it. If you see extract sound from a video online, then that is the right one. And then once you're in this app, in this thing, you're gonna click iPhone ringtone and then open video. Next, you're gonna click either take a photo or video or photo library, and then import the one that you want and wait for a few seconds to load. Now you're gonna click extract audio, then click download again. So now you're gonna need to go to GarageBand. It's really basic on how you do it, but yeah. So what you're gonna do is click on the plus here, up here, and then click audio recorder. We're gonna press this brick thingy. Right there, we have brick thingy. This brick thingy on the top right, on the top left corner. Click on that, and you will appear from here. Now, click on the loop thingy. Click files. If you want to know how to make files, click browse items from the files app and then click on this song. Now you're gonna long press and then import it. Then click on this teeny tiny plus on the right corner of your screen here. It's not pointing to the settings, but it's pointing to here. Then click on section A. Now I'll do 4 seconds. If you want, this is how much seconds you want it to be. Now you're gonna go click on this arrow thingy. Now click on my songs. Now you have this. So now we're gonna go to our settings app. Scroll down a bit and look for sounds and haptics. Click the ringtone, and yeah, you'll get your ringtone right there. So as you can see, I have my own ringtone now. So I hope that helps, guys. Bye. Also, guys, subscribe and comment down below some more video tutorials that I could do. So bye, guys.